think it's cute. I really like the color with my skin tone. So yeah, this is like the best I could do. I think this wig looks really good. So today I'm going to be doing a wig try-on haul for you. This company reached out to me and they wanted to send me a wig in exchange for a video for you guys. So that is exactly what I'm doing today. So the name of the company is Everyday Wigs. They sent me this box. This is so vintage and cute and girly. I was just so in love. So far 10 out of 10 with the packaging. I did open this up already, but I didn't like open the wig up or anything. So when you open it, it comes with the wig, and then it comes with 2 wig caps. These are nude wig caps. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know it came with wig caps. I have some, but I'm glad they put some in there. Let me tell you guys what kind of wig I got. This is what it's supposed to look like on everydaywigs.com. So it says it's a 24-inch ombre light purple synthetic lace front wig. It's silky straight. It's 150 heavy density hair. Natural hairline, heat resistant silk, and restylable under 180 degrees. I guess that means you can put heat on it. And it cost $108. So it comes with a net around it, and it comes with this, and then the net around it. Let's take that off. Oh wow, this feels so soft. It doesn't smell like a synthetic wig at all. So it has the lace right there. I need to cut that. And then it has the part. I don't know if you can tell where it is. It's right there. When you open on the inside, it comes with 2 clips right here and then the clip in the middle. These right here where you can just clasp it together. So it'll be tight on your head. Like that. I put it back into a bun, and then now I'm going to put the wig cap on. Comes with 2. Oh, okay. Alright, they must not be the best quality wig caps, but whatever. So now I'm just going to cut off this lace. I will do it on camera. So if I mess up, you guys are gonna see me going crazy on camera. So just 1 second, let me get my scissors. Alright, so I'm just gonna brush the wig now with my wig brush. Okay, I'm brushing it and a lot of hair is falling out. So I hope this doesn't shed. I think I cut too much off the top because there's like hair falling out everywhere. Honestly, I think the wig was shedding so much because I cut off a lot of the front on accident because I was just trying to make it look natural as possible. So I think that's why it was shedding that much. But other than that, when I'm brushing it, it is shedding a little bit. I mean, it is synthetic hair, so I would believe it would shed a little bit. I think this wig looks really good. What do you guys think? Do you like the wig? Honestly, the quality feels amazing. It's cute. I really like the color with my skin tone. I just think it looks poppin'. Maybe we should try a hat, like Instagram baddie. Okay. Okay. Okay, she Instagram baddie. Okay. Okay, sis. Yes. So yeah, guys, this is my new wig. But yeah, if you guys don't know, my Instagram is @MISS_TERA, Miss Tara. So yeah. See you later, guys.